Yes, your lordship. I beg to mention, here in item number 25, your lordship. My senior is at disposal, so can we give her with time?
Who is your senior, ma'am?
And Longkuma,
You are who this?
respondent number 3, private respondent. Yes.
MS
Kim Kiana.
Learned Counsel submits that Mr. Ann Longcomer, leading the case, is indisposed, and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for
A week.
a week. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
By his lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. On
Yeah.
behalf of additional AG in division. Can you list this whether after 2 weeks?
On the prayer, MS Pichano, Learned Counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Im Timson, the learned additional AG, for the state respondents, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Your lordship, there is an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return of it.
Lordship, similar prayer with item number 23.
Oh, okay, same. Yes.
Lordship, 24 also as well.
Your Lordship, in item 24 by order dated 25/3/2024. 2025, my lord. My apologies. I thought it's 2024. My lord, this honorable court had directed the petitioner to find out whether consent was taken for all the appointments of the GBs of 2 different tribes of the same village, that is Yangzitong village. My lord, in 2019, when one Sangtam GB was appointed, though no consent from the Simi tribe was taken, we have not objected, and he was appointed. Now, when we are to be appointed on a flimsy ground on the allegation that there was a firing in the village, blank firing, and that is not even the petitioner also, and even the person who did the blank firing, no fault was established against him before the learned trial court at Kifri, and he was also acquitted of the charges because it was not targeted against anyone. No, my lord, on that flimsy ground, my appointment, the petitioner's appointment as a GB has been pending till today. In this case, they have given their consent also, but on that flimsy ground.
The other tribe?
Yes.
The other tribe has given the consent.
They have also given the consent, but on the flimsy ground that there was one blank firing, they alleged against the petitioner, and they say that they are withdrawing. The district administration also, without appreciating the ground reality, they have just kept my appointment at abeyance till today, your lordship. So, my lord, I thought, since we have brought the instruction also that in 2019, one Sangtam GB from the same village, Yangzitong village, when he was appointed, no consent from Simi tribe was taken, but we have not objected, and he was appointed. In our case, it has been pending, your lordship.
Unless there is a certain directives from the government that the consent of both the tribes should be obtained.
In
to
fact,
appoint-
the consent was taken, your lordship, by the
If-
decision
if
of the village
directive
council.
is there from
It's
the
there.
government, it is there. That directive is there from the government.
It is there in the petition itself, your lordship, but because when the appointment was under consideration, in the village, somebody did a blind firing, which happened to be a simi.
So now it is for the government to consider your. this-
Yes, your lordship. My lord, so whether that is reasonable when it was not even the petitioner who did the blind firing, and he was acquitted of the criminal charges, also the other person, which case has nothing to do with the present petitioner, your lordship. So on that ground, my lord, whether it is reasonable for the government to keep pending the appointment
When
of the
can,
petitioner.
Mr. Imti be made available?
Your lordship, after 2 weeks.
Are you sure Imti will not be in the court within these 2 weeks?
But lordship is per instruction, this is not after 2 weeks.
We listed next Tuesday,
My lord.
not 2 weeks. We listed next Tuesday. MS. Pichano. The Lieutenant Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Im Tim Sum, the learned additional AD, and seeks adjournment of the case for a short period. Prayer is allowed, listed on, what will be Tuesday next? Listed on 6/5/2025. Okay?
My lord. Oblige, your lordship.
Please, lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
I beg to mention hearing item 26 and 27. Lordship,
Nothing left for this court. There's one issue that. Yes,
after 2 weeks, lordship.
you're mentioning on behalf of
Tungpok owner.
MS
Asan.
so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Tongpok Pongner, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed according.
Yes, lordship, like.
Please, your lordship.
Yeah,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19.
yes, let it come as per the list, at least this list. Yes, let it come as per the list.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I have received the counter filed by respondent number 4 and 5 this morning. So if I may be granted 3 weeks time to file my reply, my lord.
who are the respondents?
Lordship, I for respondent number 4 and 5,
You have
Lordship.
4 and 5.
I filed my affidavit in opposition,
Lordship, in
yesterday.
respect of the other respondents, the pleadings are complete.
Okay, they're fine,
Yes, my lord.
they're fine.
Yes, my lord.
MS Lucino. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 and 5 only,
4 and 5. This morning, my lord.
only this morning. She therefore seeks for
3 weeks time, my lord, to.
3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition, affidavit in reply. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. When did you file your affidavit?
Yesterday, Lordship,
Yesterday,
28/4/2025,
28/4,
2025.
28/4. The affidavit filed by the respondent number 4 and
Point
5 is not on record. Registry to verify the same and place on record.
Oblige, my lord.
Much appreciated.
For admission, item number 2.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes,
Your lordship, I'm mentioning on behalf of Devika, your lordship. I'm making a prayer that this matter will may be listed after 2 weeks, your lordship. Since she's in this post.
affidavit filed?
No, Lordship, on the last occasion, on 8/4/2025, Lordship, this court directed the state respondents to appraise the court on the
Status of
developments.
counsel. What is your case?
My lord, I was serving as an LTA in ad hoc basis. Now my service was regularized. But my salary is not being paid as per the regularization order. In
As per
fact,
the
as per the
regulation.
regularization order, Lordship, as per the fixation that was done when I was regularized. So I agree with that one. I have approached this honorable court, Lordship. In fact, they've even reduced my salary.
Reduced.
Yes, Lordship. Even my ad hoc salary has been reduced now.
Your Lordship, I've been informed that the matter is under process, but she does not have the latest status
Yes.
with her.
They have
So-
said it is under process, Lordship.
So she's
But that,
yet to
that's
receive the
them-
instructions, Your Lordship, the latest status. So after 2 weeks,
yes,
it may be listed, Your Lordship.
MS Livika, the learned government advocate, shall on the next date apprise this court about the status of consideration of the case of the petitioner as ordered on 8/4/2025. Listed after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
right, Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 3 to 14.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm mentioning on behalf of the senior counsel, Your Honor, wording for respondent 1 and 4, my lord. Lord, we are here to file our affidavit.
What is this, Mr. Land compensation?
Link commission of
Okay. What about the state, madam?
The state is fully to file, so it should be started.
Eight.
by the clock.
You are for 1 and 4.
1 and 4, my lord.
So we give them some time, Mr. Lima. CGC, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Mr. Yangarwati, the learned CGC, for the respondent number 1 and 4, and MS Pichano, the learned government advocate for the state respondents, are both allowed 3 weeks' time, see, to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly.
Like, my lord.
For admission, item numbers 15 and 16.
Maybe, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, the pleading is completed. So a date may be fixed for admission hearings.
Okay. When can we fix it? What is your case, Mr. Lima?
Your Lordship, here the petitioner was appointed on the, to the post of MDs on the basis of a recommendation made by the Departmental Selection Committee.
Okay, okay.
Well, the petitioner was serving. Again, the state government has issued another approval, conveying the approval for appointment of a private respondent on compassionate ground against the post held by me.
This interview was held.
Interview was,
Interview was held and you were selected.
I was selected and I was given the appointment.
So it is like annulling the interview.
That also relationship without even a notice, with a simple notice. Actually, I'm entitled to a notice. Without even a notice, my,
Yes, MS Inaoli, without giving any reasons if you are to annul the interview. Maybe that is not, that is bad in law. Just ponder over it and come. Okay? On the next date fixed. Just ponder over it.
and Lordship, the private respondent, she was appointed on compassionate ground.
Uh,
At the time of her appointment, her husband was serving as a government servant. So she's not entitled to be appointed under a scheme also. Lordship. That is the case.
Yes, Mr. Punky Richabo. Suddenly I got your name. Is that so?
No, my lord, on the date of hearing, the reading council will come in
Were you appointed by an interview
on compassionate.
on compassionate? And your husband was serving when you were appointed?
No.
Lordship was, but in the affidavit is, now her husband is expired.
No. Forget about the expiry of the husband.
Oh,
But
oh.
when actually the
On the
case is
case of appointment, her husband was alive as a government servant.
as a government servant,
No, my lord.
Your own admission into affidavit.
okay, when can you hear it, Mr. Lima?
After 2 weeks.
Okay. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for admission hearing. listed for admission hearing after 2 weeks, okay?
For admission, item number 17.
Yes, madam,
May I please, your lordship?
yes,
Your lordship, I pray the matter be listed on Thursday.
Thursday, why?
Your lordship, my senior is,
What is the matter?
your lordship, the petitioner is seeking for service regularization.
Service regularization, how long he has been serving?
The petitioner has completed 30 years of
30
service.
years. Is he getting scale of pay?
Yes, your lordship.
Then, madam,
The matter is under consideration.
Ah.
It's just a matter of time, so.
it's just a matter of time, so don't rush. Maybe. I think if the government is, I think considerate, I think your matter will be considered. And as per your submission, I don't know, I have not seen the record. As per your submission, you are eligible to be appointed
But,
as per the OM.
yes, your
So I
lordship.
think even the government is considering your case.
Yes, your lordship.
So don't rush things. At least let the, give time to the government and let the government consider your case, okay? We give you a government 2 weeks time.
Your lordship,
Yes.
no, it's just that I've already filed my affidavit stating the same, that the matter is under process. So basing on that also, it can be disposed of, your lordship. But if the senior is not. then-
Yes.
Your lordship, I
You-
pray,
You get instructions and come, we'll list it again on Thursday.
okay, lordship.
If that is the case, if your case is to be considered by the government, we can give a time frame to the government.
Okay,
3
lordship.
months, 4 months. Correct,
6 months.
6 months or
Yes, yeah.
whatever.
Certain time frame.
Ah.
Basing on that, it can be disposed, your lordship.
Okay, you come with instructions, list it again on
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay,
Obligation.
what is Thursday? First, list it again on 1/5/2020. Right, okay, ma'am.
Much obliged, your lordship.
For admission, item number 18.
Can I please, your lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I have yet to file affidavit in reply, so kindly allow 2 weeks time.
To whose affidavit? State affidavit?
Yes, lordship.
Your good name, Mr.
Yes, Imli.
So and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, listed accordingly.
Lordship, item 19 also, same.
Oh. Well, okay, same, madam? Same,
Yes, your lordship.
yes, same order, 19,
18, 19.
okay, 19.
Obliged.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 20.
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
Mr. Moy, you are smiling.
I have received,
I think something is wrong, you are
no, no, no,
smiling.
no. Everything is okay. I need to draft a affidavit in
Okay,
opposition.
you have received the
I-
instructions.
Lordship.
Okay, how much time you require?
2 weeks time, your
2
lordship.
weeks. Okay, we grant them.
Lordship.
Mr. Moimchin, the Learned Senior Government Advocate submits that he has received the instructions and will be filing the affidavit in 3 weeks' time. Listed after 3 weeks.
Oblations. For orders, item number 21.
Mr. Tushi,
Yes, lordship.
steps not taken for service of notice upon respondent number 5.
Number 5.
Yes,
Lordship.
just see. Number 5 is not there.
Number 5 is not there, my lord.
Well, how, just see this? What is this? I think this officer was sleeping. Just see. No, no private. Any implement subsequently?
No, lordship.
No, no. show him, just show him also. But there's something wrong there. But it is the same case. Same case.
Yes, Lordship.
Then I think there is something wrong with the office note.
Yes, Lordship. We do not have respondent number 5,
Uh,
only till respondent number 4, and all our state respondents, Lordship. They are represented.
yes,
Your Lordship,
madam.
yes, on behalf of AIME,
Yes.
Lordship, 3 weeks' time may be granted to file counter, Your Lordship.
Office note dated 24/4/2025 states that steps has not been taken for service of notice upon respondent number 5. In the writ petition, in the writ petition, there is no respondent number 5. Stop. Registry to make the necessary corrections. MS Inauli, the Learned Government Advocate, is allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly. Over.